Okay, so in this video we are going to show how to use our battery ground fault detector BGF100 designed by the Power Company. So it is, let's say, very easy to use this device and to connect it to test object. It has only three terminals to connect to batteries to the test object, and this unit has inside two voltage measurement channels. One channel should measure the voltage of the battery string. Here we have one battery string of 4 cells connected in series. So now I'm going to show how to connect this unit to the batteries, and then I will go to the display and show what should be entered here before the test. So the red terminal should be connected to the first positive terminal of the battery string, like here, and then we connect the black cable to the last negative terminal of the battery string. So now with this connection, BGF will measure using one voltage measurement channel. It will measure the voltage of the complete string. So we will have the information of the voltage of the battery string, and then using the yellow and green cable, we will measure the voltage if exists any voltage, if it exists on the battery grounding point or battery chassis and so on. So in this case we don't have any battery pack mounted on the metal chassis, so we will simulate fault just to show how this device operates. But before I start the test and connect this cable, before that let me show you what we have to do, what are the settings before we start the test. So if you know what is the number of the cells, total number of the cells of the string, then that number should be entered here. Like in our case we have 4 cells, so it should be number 4. And if we know how many cells we have within one string, then if any fault exists, like we have a damaged insulation and that voltage is sensed with this voltage measurement channel number 2, then by using the total voltage of the battery string and the number of the cells of the string, this device will easily calculate on which cell we have a problem. If you don't know what is the number of the cells within the string, then you can simply choose here value 0, and then in that case the fault will be presented as a percentage, like a distance where the fault exists. So we will do both of the cases. First of all, let's say if we know what is the number of the cells in the string, then we will do one test and simulate the fault. So just press start button, and immediately as you can see, this device will measure the voltage of the string. We have 4 cells, each cell is 12 volts, so total voltage of the string now is 51.08 volts. And by connecting this cable, yellow and green cable, to any of these battery terminals, for example if we connect it here, so just imagine now that this potential is touching the metal chassis or any grounding point, then the device will immediately detect that voltage, and now it will tell us that we have a fault in a cell number 1. So the string voltage and ground voltage now they are the same, but device will start counting the number of the, let's say, faulty cells starting from the first positive terminal of the battery string. Now if we switch this to this point here, now the detected voltage will be different, and the device will tell us that we have a fault in the cell number 2, and so on. If we go to the last one, for example, so now we have a same, well, the voltage is 0 because the black one is connected to the yellow and green. The voltage is now 0 volts, and this is our cell number 4 in the string. So even if the voltage is 0, thanks to the hardware of this device, it can also detect even the situation like this one, where the fault exists in a first, let's say, connection. Okay, now when I press stop button, it will be recorded in the memory. The memory at the beginning was number 3, now it's 4. And as I said, if we don't know the number of the cells in the string, just keep the value 0. And if we start the test, then it will tell us in percentage where is the fault. Like in this case, 100%, and that was our cell number 4. Or if we switch, for example, to the first positive terminal, now this will be 0%, which is same as cell number 1. Or you can connect it here. And about 24% is the allocation, percentage is allocation of this fault. Okay.